object should be placed between the source of light and the screen.
Then what will happen? Shadow will be formed. Then it will be shadow.
Yes, ma'am.
For image you
Yes,
need,
ma'am.
for image we need a source of light. Just you imagine that you are standing in front of a mirror. Your virtual image will be formed in the mirror.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in case of image also, yes, right, Chandresh, that there should be a screen, and in between and there should be some source of light from where the light is falling on an object and from where it's getting reflected on the screen. Okay. So from the source of light, it is not obstructing the source of light like formation of shadow. What it is doing, it is reflecting the light of that is falling on an object, and then it is forming its image can be obtained on a screen or it cannot be obtained on a screen. Why? Or at which condition image cannot be obtained on a screen?
Ma'am, when there is a virtual
Ma'am,
image,
if there
it
is a
should not
real
be
image,
obtained on the screen.
then
But
it
if
can be
it is a
obtained on a
real image, then
screen.
it can
And
be
if
obtained on a
is
screen.
a virtual
Ma'am, if there
image,
is
then
not
it
a
can't
real
be
image,
obtained on a
Okay,
screen.
the image
okay,
will not
yes.
form.
So when the image will be real one, there will be it will be obtained on a screen, and when it is virtual, it cannot be obtained on a screen. Keep it
Yes,
in
ma'am.
mind. Why? I'm asking you now why. Why?
Ma'am, because when the rays of light falls on a mirror, it gets reflected back to a screen. But ma'am, in virtual image, the image is from back of the mirror.
No, not like that. I've told you, you have forgotten. I told you I have taken a lens concave mirror when parallel rays of light are falling. After reflection, they will meet at a point. So, when the rays of light after reflection they meet at a point, that is, they are converging rays. They are converging at a point. Remember, children, I am giving the last revision. So, they are actually converging at a point. Then there here if you just place a screen, you will get a real image. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, what happens if we take a convex mirror? What will happen if the rays are coming after reflection?
They will diverge.
Yes,
They
ma'am, they
will
will diverge.
diverge.
Yes, ma'am.
Do this diverging ray ever meet at a point at the
No,
back? यहाँ पे
ma'am.
कभी
No,
होगा?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
it will appear to be coming from a point if we extend the two divergent ray backwards, है ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So
ma'am.
this will form a virtual image because we cannot keep any. If you keep any screen on the back of the mirror, will it able to have? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Am I clear? So when the rays after reflection actually converge at a point, we will get a real image and we can have it on a screen. And if the rays of light after reflection they diverge from, they will never meet. And if we extend back those reflected rays at the back, what will happen? We are able to have a virtual image which cannot be have it on a screen. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it
Ma'am,
has
you have
been
said
told
that
that
today, ma'am, today you will take a revision test.
revision ही हो रहा है. I'm asking all of you and I'm recording also. Okay, next. So what will happen? It has been we have just done an experiment with concave mirror. We are placing the
Yes, ma'am.
concave mirror at different points. है ना? When it is when
Yes,
the
ma'am.
object is it is a concave mirror when the objective at infinity. So where the image will be formed?
Ma'am, at
It
the
will
focus.
at the focus.
Ma'am, at the
At
focus.
focus.
If we keep the object beyond the C, center of curvature के पीछे रखेंगे, then where the image will be formed?
Ma'am, between focus
Ma'am,
and
between focus and center of
Very
center.
good. Between focus and center of curvature. Very good. Next, if we keep the image on the center of curvature,
ma'am on the sea, the image
Ma'am,
will
on the
form.
screen.
Ma'am,
only on the C, but it will
ma'am,
be
on the
inverted.
screen.
It will be inverted and it will be having the
Yes,
same
ma'am, it will be
size.
inverted.
Same size, inverted, real image.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Again, now we are keeping the object in between center of curvature and focus. Where the image will be
Ma'am, the
formed.
image will form between center of
Ma'am, it will be
curvature and
between.
infinity.
Beyond the
Now
center
it
of
will be just
curvature.
reverse. It will be formed
Ma'am,
beyond C. बियॉन्ड सी, सेंटर
Yes,
ऑफ
ma'am.
कर्वेचर के पीछे। तो देखो क्या रिलेशन है, इफ व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज बियॉन्ड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन सी एंड एफ, एंड द व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिटवीन सी एंड एफ, द इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड in the center of beyond the center of curvature. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
When the yes, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, we can also say that when the object is on between C and center of curvature and focus, the image will be formed at between infinity and center of curvature.
Yes, yes, you can say, but most probably you will see it is not that much far away, but you can have it just beyond C. You are right. Your also answer is right. Very good. Okay. And when the last word that we are going to read now, that if we keep the object very near, एकदम सामने रखेंगे तो क्या होगा? What will happen?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the image will
Ma'am,
be
virtual
formed
image will be
behind
formed.
behind the mirror,
virtual
and
image.
ma'am, it will be virtual.
So the rays of light. Yes. Sorry.
Unity will
If
be
yes, this is the focus, center of curvature, and pole. If we keep the object over here, what will happen?
Ma'am,
One,
virtual image.
yes, the ray one will go and fall on over here, and the other, and it will just pass through center of curvature, and the
yes,
other,
ma'am.
after parallel rays, after reflection, they will pass through the focus. So will they ever meet? They will never
No,
meet.
ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
if we just extend back these two rays, we will get a virtual image, but
Virtual
it will be
image.
magnified. I told you to bring the spoon very close to you. On the curved surface, you will see a magnified image of yourself. So is this clear? So only in one condition, when the object is very near to the pole, that is in between focus and the pole, then only we are going to get a virtual
Virtual image.
image.
Virtual image.
At what condition, in case of convex mirror, we are going to get a real image? Think and answer. It's a question. You
Can
should
you please repeat the question once again?
It is very near to the convex mirror.
when I'm now telling about not concave but convex mirror, at what condition a real image will be formed in case of convex mirror? I will not give any other clue. I'm just want to just give you a want to puzzle you. This is the clue. So you haven't gone with the ray diagram.
Ma'am, when the object is between center and
Never
focus.
ever there will be a real image in case of convex mirror. देखो अपना book खोलो, copy खोलो,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
see the diagram. It will be never ever, because always the rays after reflection will diverge away. कभी meet करेगा? Ever it will meet? Never, because the lens,
No, ma'am.
the bulging is from this side. So never any single ray will converge at a point after a reflection. Always after reflection they will diverge away. So at no condition, this was a tricky question. At no condition there will be any real image forms in case of
Convex mirror.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
convex
convex
convex.
mirror.
mirror.
Do you compare any of the lens with the image formation of convex mirror? The
Ma'am,
same time,
concave lens.
One country.
concave lens.
Lens.
So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
case of concave lens also, concave lens are like curve at the middle. So in that case also, what will happen? They will
Ma'am,
diverge
Yes, ma'am.
after reflection, nahi, after refraction. In case of lens we do refraction, है ना? The
Yes,
image is
ma'am.
formed based on refraction. So in case of, are you able to see this part
Yes,
when I
ma'am.
draw? No, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just drawing. So it is a concave lens. So whenever the rays are coming, they will diverge away after refraction. Will these two diverge ray ever meet at a point? Never they will meet. So we can extend back these two diverging refracted ray. They will meet at a point on the same side of the object. It will give the virtual image of the object. Am I clear? So
Yes,
in case
ma'am.
of concave lens and convex mirror, never ever a real image will be formed. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But in case of concave mirror and convex lens, both type of images will be formed. देखो, I'm taking a tussle to just make you understand. So after this is a converging, so they will meet at a point at the focus, they will have real image. But in one case, in case of convex lens and concave mirror, if the object is very near, we are going to have virtual image. Am I clear, children? कुछ गया कि नहीं?
Yes,
अभी भी
ma'am.
समझ में आया कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
This is very very important, children. Very very important. Okay, now tell me the laws of reflection. Raise your hands only, not me. Tell me, raise your hands. Yes, Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are six laws of reflection.
Six laws of reflection. नेट से देख रहे हो क्या?
No, ma'am.
तो सिक्स लॉ कहाँ पे है? सिक्स लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन.
There are three.
थ्री लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन.
Ma'am, there are two.
Yes, Shraddha, give the answer.
Ma'am, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and normal lies on the same plane.
And this is
And
a
ma'am,
one law.
angle of reflection is equals to angle of incidence.
Yes. So the angle of incidence, the measure of angle of incidence, that is the incident ray is making with the normal, and the angle the reflected ray is making with the normal will be always equal. That is one law. Other one is that the angle of incidence you can may not say, or you can say that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal lie on the
Place.
same plane. The incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal lie on the same plane. It is the second law. Is it okay? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
difference between regular reflection and diffused reflection?
Ma'am, what?
Regular reflection and diffused reflection.
We have to tell the difference.
What is the difference between regular reflection
Ma'am,
and
your voice
diffused
is breaking.
reflection? We haven't done.
Ma'am, you didn't explain about this.
Regular and diffused reflection
Yes,
I
ma'am.
haven't done. Whenever any ray of light, parallel ray of light is falling on a plane surface, what
No,
will
ma'am.
happen? The parallel rays of light will fall on the plane surface parallelly. Can you see they are falling parallelly?
Yes, ma'am.
And after reflection, they will also reflect back parallelly. Why? Because all the normals are parallel to each other. These are all the three normals of each and every incident ray. They are also parallel to each other. So the surface is plane, straight. But if the surface is undulating, irregular, what will happen? Parallel rays of light will fall. बट एज बिकॉज द नॉर्मल ऑफ ईच केस विल बी डिफरेंट. यहाँ पे नॉर्मल क्या है? ऐसा होगा. यहाँ पे नॉर्मल this is the normal, and here the normal will be this. So what will happen after reflection? The light will scatter to different direction. So what will happen? Will they are coming parallelly? Reflected ray are coming parallelly? No. So this is called diffused reflection. When the incident ray coming parallelly after reflection they get scattered. This is called diffused reflection. And when the parallel rays they are coming and falling on a same plane and getting reflected parallelly, it is called regular reflection. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes,
doubt,
ma'am.
anyone?